StringBuilder. StringBuilder in Java is like a flexible string that can change its content, while the regular string in Java stays the same once created. Immutable means not changeable. StringBuilder lets you modify the characters in it. It works a lot like StringBuffer, but there's a key difference. StringBuilder doesn't ensure synchronization. In simple terms, this means it might not be the best choice if you're working with multiple things happening at once. If we were using StringBuffer in a single-threaded way, which is often the case, we can often replace it with StringBuilder. It's recommended for its faster performance in most situations. Unlike StringBuffer, StringBuilder isn't designed to handle multiple threads doing things simultaneously. If we need a kind of protection, then we need to stick with StringBuffer. But if we are working in a single-threaded environment, StringBuilder is usually the better and faster option. In this example, we start with a creating object for StringBuilder containing the text, hello. Here we use the method append world to it, resulting in hello world. Here we use the method insert Java at position 5, resulting in hello Java world. Here we use the method delete characters 11 to 16, removing Java and getting hello world. Here we use the method reverse the content, resulting in delraw. Finally, we convert the StringBuilder to a regular string and print the result. Using StringBuilder is more efficient than concatenating strings using the plus operator, especially when dealing with a large number of string manipulations, as it avoids creating unnecessary intermediate string objects. See you again. Thank you.